All right, numbers 8 and 9. Hopefully, you're working with an 84 calculator. The idea is when you're given a frequency distribution, you've got to first find the midpoints for your intervals. You got 12 employees who made between 5,001 and 10,000. The idea is you don't know, did five of them make 6,000, did two of them make 9,000? Whenever you're giving a distribution, whether you're finding the standard deviation or the mean, you have to find the midpoints first of your intervals. You take the low number, you add the high number, divide by 2. Now, as you're entering these into your calculator, the calculator only has room for 5 digits. So even though you're entering in 12,500.5, the calculator rounds this up. But trust the calculator, it did enter the right number. In fact, it's going to round each of these up to 1 digit higher because of the limitation. 27,501, even though you entered in 27,500.5, it says that, but trust the calculator, put the right number in. Now, once you're done putting the numbers in L1, the midpoints, L2, the frequencies, you go to stat, calculate, and you tell the calculator, hey, my values are in L1, my frequencies are in L2, and it comes back with S of X. Now, as S of X, it is sigma of X. You always use the sample standard deviation, the S of X. Now, the same thing works out with number 9. I got to find the midpoints. Whenever I have a frequency distribution, whether I'm finding the standard deviation or the mean, I got to find the midpoints. Put that in L1 and put your customers, which are your frequencies. There was 9 people who made that, and there was 16 people who made this, and 15. Put that in L2. And then go to stat, calculate L1. Your list is in L1 and your frequency is in L2 in that order. Now, if you're using the 83, when you go to stat calculate, it doesn't prompt you for anything. On the 83, you got to put in L1 first, comma, and then put in L2. And how you do is that L1 is the second function of the 1 key, and L2 is the second function of the 2 key. Hopefully, you're working with the 84, and you'll see exactly what this is. The L3, the TI-83. You've got to put the L1 yourself. Well, put it in. It doesn't prompt you for it, but you got to remember, hey, it's looking for L1, comma, L2. Hope that helps. If it doesn't, get back to me. Hopefully you have the 83. If you don't, I'm sorry, 84. If you have the 83, I can actually show you on the 83 without talking to you. I can actually do a video. So hopefully this helps.